Let me ask you something that sounds simple on the surface, but matters more than most men realize. What if improving your circulation didn't require a prescription, a supplement stack, or something rare and expensive? What if the starting point was already sitting in your kitchen, overlooked, ordinary, and quietly powerful when used with intention? Most men are taught to think of blood flow problems as a failure, a sign that something is broken, worn out, or gone for good. But that story isn't accurate, and it certainly isn't helpful. In my work with men over 50, I see something very different. I see bodies that are still capable, still responsive, but operating under a different chemical environment than they had years ago. When you understand that environment and support it properly, the change can be remarkable. I'm Dr. Selena Clarke. I'm a urologist, and for years I've worked closely with older men who want to feel steady, confident, and physically reliable again. Not just in intimate moments, but in daily life. Energy, warmth, stamina, and responsiveness are all connected, and at the center of that connection is circulation. As men age, blood flow doesn't disappear overnight. It becomes inconsistent, it becomes slower to respond, it becomes harder to maintain under physical or emotional demand. Nitric oxide production declines, blood vessels lose some of their flexibility, and fatigue shows up sooner than it used to. These changes affect intimacy, yes, but they also affect how alive your body feels throughout the day. What I want you to understand right away is this: your body is not betraying you. It is adapting to time, stress, medications, sleep changes, and metabolic shifts. When you support those shifts instead of fighting them, function often returns in ways that surprise men the most. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple concept that many men have never heard explained clearly. Two everyday powders, both inexpensive, both widely available, and both studied by scientists for their effects on the body. On their own, each has benefits. Together, when used correctly, they create a chemical environment that supports blood flow in a very natural way. This is not about forcing a response. It's about restoring the conditions your body needs to respond on its own. Before we get into the combination itself, we need to start with the foundation, the first powder. Baking soda. Most people think of baking soda as something for cleaning, deodorizing, or baking. But inside the body, sodium bicarbonate plays a much more meaningful role. It acts as a buffer, a regulator, a stabilizer of pH. Why does that matter? Because blood vessels are extremely sensitive to acidity. Even small shifts in pH can change how well your endothelial cells function. Those cells line your blood vessels, and one of their most important jobs is producing nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the signal that tells blood vessels to relax and open. When nitric oxide is low, blood flow becomes restricted and inconsistent. As men age, the internal environment of the body tends to drift slightly more acidic. Not dangerously so, but enough to interfere with nitric oxide production. This isn't something you feel directly. You don't wake up thinking, I'm more acidic today. Instead, you notice it indirectly. You fatigue faster. Your endurance drops. Your response during physical exertion isn't as strong or as reliable as it once was. During activity, including intimacy, your muscles produce metabolic byproducts like lactate and hydrogen ions. These increase acidity even further. In younger bodies, this acid is cleared quickly. In older bodies, buffering systems are slower. The result is early fatigue and reduced vascular responsiveness, even when desire and mental readiness are still present. This is where baking soda becomes relevant. When consumed in small, controlled amounts, it helps neutralize excess acidity. It shifts the environment toward a range where endothelial cells can function more efficiently. When that happens, nitric oxide production improves. Blood vessels receive the signal to relax. Blood flow increases, warmth returns, responsiveness improves. There is solid research showing that sodium bicarbonate can improve physical performance by delaying fatigue and supporting vascular capacity. While these studies are often discussed in the context of athletics, the underlying mechanisms apply to circulation in general. Better buffering means better endurance. Better endurance means your body can sustain blood flow under demand instead of collapsing early. But here's an important point, and I want you to hear it clearly. Baking soda alone has limits. Yes, it helps. Yes, it supports pH balance. But buffering acidity is only one piece of the puzzle. Blood flow depends on more than just pH. It depends on nitric oxide stability, oxidative stress levels, red blood cell flexibility, and energy production inside the smooth muscle that controls vessel dilation. This is why some men try baking soda by itself and feel only mild or inconsistent effects. The environment improves, but the deeper chemistry isn't fully supported. To create a meaningful vascular shift, you need more than buffering. You need synergy. Before we introduce the second powder, it's important to understand why aging makes these systems more fragile in the first place. When you were younger, your body cleared acid efficiently. Your mitochondria produced energy rapidly. Your blood vessels were elastic and responsive. Over time, natural aging combined with stress, sleep disruption, medications, and reduced activity changes that balance. Endothelial cells become less efficient. Nitric oxide production declines. Oxidative stress increases. Inflammation rises quietly in the background. None of this means you are unhealthy or broken. It means your system needs more support to do what it once did effortlessly. This is why so many men tell me the same thing in my office. The desire is there, but the response isn't. That gap creates frustration, doubt, and unnecessary fear. But when we look at the chemistry, the explanation becomes clear. The signal is being sent, but the vascular system isn't fully prepared to respond. Baking soda helps prepare that system by improving pH. It gives your blood vessels a more favorable environment to work in. But preparation alone doesn't guarantee performance. For that, we need to address nitric oxide stability, oxygen delivery, and cellular energy. That's where the second powder comes in. The one almost no one expects. The one that transforms a simple buffering agent into a truly supportive vascular combination. In the next part, I'll explain what happens when baking soda is paired with its ideal partner, why that reaction matters inside your body, and how this combination creates a level of circulation support that neither ingredient can achieve alone. For now, I want you to hold on to this idea. Blood flow problems are not a personal failure, they are a chemical challenge. And chemistry, when understood, can be supported. Now let's talk about the second powder, the one that turns a simple buffering aid into something far more effective for circulation. This is the part that surprises most men because it sounds almost too ordinary to matter. Citric acid. Most people recognize citric acid as the sour component in citrus fruits or as a preservative used in food. What they don't realize is that citric acid plays a central role in human energy metabolism and vascular chemistry. And when it's combined with baking soda in water, it creates something entirely new and far more useful than either ingredient on its own. When baking soda and citric acid meet, they react immediately. You see bubbling and fizzing as carbon dioxide is released. Many people assume that fizz is the main event, but it's not. The real value comes from what's formed during that reaction. Sodium citrate. Sodium citrate is not just a leftover compound, it's the key to why this combination works so well. It supports blood flow through several complementary pathways, and it does so gently, without forcing the body into an artificial state. First, sodium citrate helps protect nitric oxide. As men age, nitric oxide isn't just produced in smaller amounts, it's also destroyed more quickly. Oxidative stress from inflammation, stress hormones, and metabolic strain breaks nitric oxide down before it can do its job. Sodium citrate helps reduce that oxidative stress around the endothelium, the thin layer of cells lining your blood vessels. When oxidative stress drops, nitric oxide lasts longer and works more effectively. This means your blood vessels don't just open, they stay open more easily. The signal doesn't fade halfway through. Circulation becomes smoother and more stable instead of rising and falling unpredictably. Second, sodium citrate improves how blood itself moves. Red blood cells are meant to be flexible. They need to bend and glide through tiny capillaries to deliver oxygen efficiently. Over time, acidity and oxidative stress make those cells stiffer. When red blood cells lose flexibility, circulation slows at the smallest, most important points. Sodium citrate helps restore that flexibility, blood flows more freely, oxygen delivery improves. Tissues receive what they need without resistance. This alone can make a noticeable difference in stamina and physical endurance, not just during intimacy, but throughout the day. Third, sodium citrate feeds directly into your body's primary energy system, the citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle. This cycle is how your cells generate ATP, the energy molecule that powers every muscular and cellular process in your body. Why does this matter for blood flow? Because the smooth muscle that controls blood vessel dilation requires energy to stay relaxed. Opening a vessel is one thing, holding it open under demand is another. When ATP production is strong, those muscles can maintain dilation longer and more reliably. This translates into better consistency and less effort required to sustain circulation. There's also a subtle but important neurological effect. When acidity decreases and oxygen delivery improves, nerve signals travel more cleanly. Many men notice that their body feels more responsive, more connected, and more awake. Sensation improves not because anything is being overstimulated, but because the system is no longer under chemical stress. And when you combine all of these effects, you get what I describe as a natural vascular lift. Not a sudden jolt, not a forced reaction, but a gradual, steady improvement in how your circulation responds to demand. This is why the combination feels different from pills or stimulants. Instead of pushing blood vessels open, it creates the conditions that allow them to open on their own. That distinction matters, especially for older men who want reliability without strain. Now let's talk about what happens after you drink this mixture, because timing plays a huge role in how effective it feels. In the first several minutes, the remaining bicarbonate begins buffering acidity in the stomach and bloodstream. This starts shifting your internal environment toward a range that supports endothelial function. You won't feel anything dramatic at this stage, and that's normal. Around 15 to 25 minutes, nitric oxide production begins to improve. Some men notice a mild warmth in their hands, feet, or chest. Others describe a sense of circulation waking up, as if blood is moving more freely without effort. Between 30 and 45 minutes, sodium citrate is absorbed and begins exerting its full effect. Oxidative stress decreases, red blood cells move more smoothly, oxygen delivery increases. ATP production inside smooth muscle cells rises. This is when the vascular system becomes primed and responsive. By 45 to 60 minutes, most men enter what I call the readiness window. This is when blood vessels can open quickly and maintain flow without early fatigue. The body feels cooperative instead of resistant. Responses feel easier, steadier, and more natural. The peak effect typically occurs between 60 and 90 minutes. This is when many men notice the greatest improvement in firmness, endurance, and confidence. Again, nothing feels forced. It simply feels like your body is working with you instead of against you. This timing is important because taking the mixture immediately before physical activity doesn't give your body enough time to adjust its chemistry. The benefit comes from preparation, not urgency. Giving your system that window allows all the mechanisms to align. In the next part, we'll talk about the practical side: how to prepare the mixture correctly, how to use it safely, who should be cautious, and why consistent use can support not just short-term performance, but long-term vascular health. Now let's move into the practical side, because understanding the science only helps if you apply it correctly. This is where many men make small mistakes that limit results or cause unnecessary discomfort. The goal is to create enough sodium citrate to support circulation while keeping digestion comfortable and sodium intake reasonable. The balance matters. Too much baking soda can cause bloating. Too little citric acid won't create enough of the compound that makes this combination effective. What works best for most men is a simple ratio that allows the reaction to happen cleanly while leaving a small amount of bicarbonate available for buffering. A modest serving is all that's needed. You're not trying to overwhelm your system, you're supporting it. Mixed in a full glass of water, the powders react quickly, releasing carbon dioxide and forming sodium citrate. Letting that fizz happen in the glass instead of your stomach is important. Stir gently, allow the bubbling to settle slightly, and drink when it feels comfortable. Taking the mixture on an empty stomach, or at least an hour after eating, makes a big difference. Food slows absorption and increases the chance of gas or pressure. When the stomach is relatively clear, the body absorbs the compounds more smoothly and predictably. If you're sensitive or trying this for the first time, starting with a smaller amount is wise. Give your body a chance to adapt. Most men find that after a few uses, digestion becomes easier and the response becomes more consistent. Now, we need to talk honestly about safety because even natural substances affect your chemistry. Baking soda contains sodium, and while the amount used here is modest, it still matters. Men who have been advised to strictly limit sodium intake, especially those with uncontrolled high blood pressure, advanced heart disease, or significant kidney issues, should speak with a healthcare provider before using this method. For most healthy men, the sodium amount is well tolerated, especially when not used daily. But being informed is always better than guessing. Digestive discomfort is the most common side effect, and it's usually mild. Bloating or gas typically comes from taking too much, taking it too soon after eating, or drinking it before the fizz has settled. Adjusting those factors resolves the issue for most men. Citric acid itself is widely consumed in foods and beverages and is generally very gentle at the amounts used here. When combined with baking soda, it actually reduces the harshness of bicarbonate alone, making the final drink easier on the stomach. There are a few groups that should be cautious. Men with chronic kidney disease, severe fluid retention, or heart failure need careful sodium management. If that applies to you, professional guidance is important. For everyone else, this approach is considered low risk when used responsibly. What surprises many men is what happens when this method is used occasionally over time, not just before intimacy. Supporting pH balance, nitric oxide stability, and mitochondrial energy doesn't only affect one moment. It affects the health of your blood vessels themselves. The endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels, responds to its environment. When acidity is controlled and oxidative stress is reduced, these cells function better. They produce nitric oxide more efficiently. They regulate blood flow more smoothly. Over time, this can support better vascular flexibility and responsiveness overall. There's also evidence that healthier metabolic conditions support the cells responsible for repairing blood vessel tissue. When energy production improves and inflammation decreases, the body is better able to maintain and restore vascular integrity. Improved red blood cell flexibility and oxygen delivery don't just help during physical exertion, they support daily energy, mental clarity, and temperature regulation. Many men notice warmer hands and feet, steadier energy, and less of that heavy, sluggish feeling that creeps in with age. Supporting the citric acid cycle means supporting the core of your energy system. Muscles recover better, endurance improves, cardiovascular strain decreases. These are quiet benefits, but they add up. Men who use this combination thoughtfully often report that their circulation feels more reliable overall, morning energy improves, physical confidence returns gradually. Intimate performance becomes more consistent, not because something is being forced, but because the system is being supported. This is the message I want to leave you with. Your body is not broken, it's adapting. When you understand the chemistry behind those changes, you gain the ability to work with your body instead of fighting it. Two simple powders used correctly can create an environment where blood vessels relax, energy flows, and responsiveness returns. Not as a miracle, but as a result of physiology doing what it's designed to do when given the right conditions. If you choose to try this, do it with patience and awareness. Respect timing. Use modest amounts. Pay attention to how your body responds. The goal isn't to chase intensity, it's to restore balance. And remember, this isn't only about intimacy, it's about circulation, vitality, and long-term vascular health. When blood flows well, life feels easier, movement feels smoother, confidence returns naturally. Thank you for taking the time to understand this. I hope it leaves you feeling informed, empowered, and more in control of your health moving forward.